Outstanding balances. Company, change company settings, general settings, outstanding balances. Outstanding balances. Aging refers to the number of days that a customer or supplier balance is outstanding. Use the monthly aging option if you want to display unpaid invoices outstanding by calendar month. The current value will represent all unpaid invoices raised in the current month. The 30 days value will represent all unpaid invoices raised in the previous month, and so on. There's a monthly checkbox. If you deselect this option, system will calculate actual number of days. If you check this option, system will calculate based on calendar month. You can generate customer outstanding balances from customers, reports, customer balances days outstanding. Now in this company, we have deselected monthly checkbox. We generate this report 19th December 2022. This third invoice date is 30th November 2022. Now this invoice under current outstanding. You'll check this checkbox. Then you can see now this invoice under 30 days. Because this invoice in November, we are generating the report for December. So system will calculate aging based on calendar month. Next, you can run the aging based on invoice date or due date. If you select invoice date, system will calculate outstanding from the invoice date. If you select due date, system will calculate outstanding based on the due date. First we select invoice date. In this invoice, first invoice date is 31st August 2022. Based on aging based on invoice date, it will display under 90 days. We'll open this invoice. By clicking that invoice, you can open the invoice. Now you can see invoice date is 31st August 2022. Due date is 30th November 2022. You can select due date. Now you can see that invoice outstanding under current period. Invoice date is 31st August 2022. Due date is 30th November 2022. Now if you run the report based on due date, it will display under current period. Based on your requirement, you can change the settings for monthly and invoice date. After that, you can save.